What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be covering two huge partnerships in the biggest week in CNFT history, and what I believe could be the beginning of the Ethereum NFT community having a major influx into Cardano NFTs. But before we dive into that, I appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to not miss a single CNFT or NFT video. And make sure as well you follow me on Twitter. And as well, and while you're at it, make sure you follow my own project, Nerds and Versions, to keep up to date with our 3D release. I'll keep you posted with that on our YouTube as well. So the first bit of news involves Bosscat Rocket Club, which if you check the all-time rankings, they're one of the biggest projects in the CNFT space, boasting a huge number of community members, as well as a very high floor. They've had a lot of hate in the past and a lot of skepticism, but they've continued to deliver from their initial drop, the Bosscat Rocket Club, the 10K collection, then the Bosscat Rocket Club parts, and then the Boss Planet real estate for their metaverse, which I've covered on this channel. So check that out if you're interested in further details on this. So they've delivered, and they've delivered again. Check this out.
Hi, I am Manny Pacquiao. I am now officially working with the Boss Cat and Boss Planet team to build something incredible. Thank you, everyone.
You saw that right. Bosscat Rocket Club partnering with Manny Pacquiao. So if you're unaware of the magnitude of this partnership, as seen in the video, Manny Pacquiao is a boxer and he is one of the greatest boxers of all time and one of the most well-known boxers. He's hugely respected all around the world, and he has a huge following with 2.6 million followers on Twitter. So needless to say, this is a huge partnership. So what does this do for Bosscat Rocket Club? Well, this just brings a lot of eyes to Cardano. This is the type of the announcement that turns heads. You hear the name Manny Pacquiao and Cardano NFTs, and it definitely sparks interest from the entire NFT community. I'm talking the Solana heads and the Ethereum heads as well. So this partnership is absolutely huge, not only for Bosscat Rocket Club, but for the CNFT space as a whole. I'd be very interested to see what happens and how this partnership develops. I have no doubt it would be something awesome, and we might even see Manny Pacquiao on Boss Planet. Fingers crossed that you've got the land plot next to Manny Pacquiao. Another awesome thing Bosscat Rocket Club have done this week as well is partnering with Chilled Kong. So as you can see, he's a couple Kong's characters in the same format as the Boss Planet characters, which is awesome because this merges two huge communities together. Like Boss Planet Rocket Club, if you haven't heard of Chill Kongs, it's a very successful project on Cardano, being the 9th biggest project of all time, with a floor of almost 900 ADA, and they've also got a big community. So this is good for CNFTs as a whole, as it boosts everyone up. I'm bullish on this partnership with both Chilled Kongs and Manny Pacquiao, and this makes me even more bullish on Bosscat Rocket Club. They've had their doubters, but time and time again, they continue to deliver, and I can see this continuing, and I cannot wait to see this unfold. I'll leave a link in the description to this Linktree link, where you can find everything you need about Boss Planet through this link. Make sure you check it out and do diligence and do your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor. And so not only have the CNFT world got Manny Pacquiao involved now, we've also got another huge celebrity, courtesy of Clay Nation. So as most of you know, Clay Nation is one of the biggest collections on Cardano, and I personally think it will be the biggest. And it's my favorite anyway. As you all know, I've been a mega Clay bull ever since this has come out, and I've actually minted 10 of them myself, and this is my biggest CNFT bag. They've continued to deliver, and they've just blown the fucking roof off with this latest collaboration. This was with none other than Snoop Dogg and Champ Medici. Snoop Dogg being Snoop Dogg, I shouldn't have to describe this person to you. He is a megastar and has a huge following and also a huge influence in NFTs and crypto as a whole. As you can see with his Bored Ape profile picture, if you scroll down through his timeline, you can see he's very invested into NFTs and all of the above. And the other person is Champ Medici, who you may not know, but that's actually Snoop Dogg's son, and he has a great influence on this collaboration as well. Here was the original announcement.
Hey Champ, I've been checking out that Cardano, and this Web3 stuff is exciting to me.
Yeah, they got some cool claymations too.
Oh shit, that's my music.
Hey Snoop, it's Charles Hoskinson here. I'm trying to get in contact with you, man. Call me sometime.
Let's hook it up.
So, as you heard in the original announcement clip, they were going on a call with Snoop Dogg, Champ Medici, Charles Hoskinson, who's the founder and creator of Cardano and has a huge influence, and Clay Nation. They did this on April 5th and it was amazing. They had a ton of listeners in the space and it was just an amazing talk. Not only was it funny, it was also very educational, and they are set to do it again, according to Champ Medici. I'll leave this in the description. You can listen to this yourself. It's definitely worth a listen. And it's so insane, I almost can't believe it happened. But then again, who are we to doubt Clay Nation and the team? They have nailed everything they have touched, and I guarantee you they will continue to do this. Another note as well is they got Warren G in here, and they're talking about working with him as well, who is another rapper from Snoop Dogg's era, which is awesome as well. So, as you all can predict, this probably caused a huge increase in price, and it sure did. The floor went from 1,500 ADA to almost 4,000 ADA, before consolidating to a 3,000 ADA floor, which is above 1 Ethereum. And rightfully so, and I can see this just continuing to rise as they add more utility, bring more partnerships, and as the Ethereum NFT community comes over, same as the Solana NFT community. To me, it's just a matter of time, and Clay Nation holders will be rewarded. Not only will they be rewarded in big fat juicy gains, with the floor being over 10,000 ADA in my opinion, and if not, relatively close to that. Definitely more than today anyway. I can't predict this is just my gut feeling. So not only going to get rewarded that way, they're also getting rewarded with a huge set of perks just for holding these NFTs. I've covered this on my channel before about the Clay paper, but they've recently added a couple new things, so I'll dive into that. So we spoke about the pictures, how you can get Clay pictures in the Clay Village, aka their metaverse, and this is happening on April 10th, which is only a couple days away. 0 are available to the public, and all 10,000 are available to Clay Nation holders in a 1-to-1 ratio for 100 ADA. They can vary from small, medium or large, allocated at random with varied rarity. And it is the same for Good Charlotte Clays, 1-to-1 ratio for 100 ADA. Take note, you do not need to register to be eligible for this mint, but they'll be doing a snapshot for Clay Nation NFT holders between April 8th and April 10th. To be picked up by their snapshot, you must not be listed for sale on a smart contract marketplace. So if you're watching this now and you get a Clay that's listed on JPEG Store and you want a piece in Solic Village or the Underworld, delist that Clay, which you should be doing anyway because who the fuck is selling Clays at the moment, but whatever. Not everyone can make it in this space. So what's included in these mints? Similar to a pitch and pavia or a lamp-lot, they'll be numbered and have unique coordinates, which will be eventually revealed, and they'll be customizable and accompanied by a themed asset pack. And you also get a one-off Clay token allocation in May, with the amount to be decided. So this is another incentive to hold your Clays, get the pictures, and then hold for the Clay token. Clay are really serving their holders very well. And this is the same for the Good Charlotte Underworld mint, just in the Underworld instead, where I believe there will be concerts and all that type of thing. And then we get to Baked Nation, which is on April 10th as well, and which you need to register. I'll leave this link in the description because these will sell out like hotcakes, with 11,100 available to the public, 1,000 available to Clay Nation holders, and 500 to Good Charlotte Clay holders. So it will be a race, and they'll be for 175 ADA, and this is tied with the Snoop and Champ Medici partnership. Baked Nation will be a land section, and it'll be similar to the other sections of the Clay metaverse, but with each land pitch it is paired with a 1 of 3 collectible Clay animation of Snoop and Champ. Pitches will be customizable, they'll be allocated a Clay token drop, and each collectible animation acts as a key to unlock future content of unreleased music from Champ produced by Snoop Dogg. And holding the NFT will grant holders full commercial ownership, which is huge. You can literally own a Snoop Dogg produced song, which Snoop elaborated in the Twitter space call that you can do whatever you like to it. So if you're a rapper yourself, you can put your verse on there, you can mash it up, turn it into a club song. Whatever you want to do with it, you can do with, which I think is fucking dope. And other unlockable content is planned and will be rewarded to holders at a later date. So that is awesome. So once again, Clay Nation killing it. Partnering with Snoop Dogg and his son is just unreal. And this will definitely bring in a huge influx of Ethereum NFT maxis, same as the Manny Pacquiao partnership as well. This is an absolutely huge week for CNFTs, and this is great to see considering I've been here from pretty much the beginning, and I cannot wait to see this unfold. I do believe 2022 is the year of the CNFT, and this whole space will completely explode, especially with the developments on Cardano as a whole. Let me know what you think of these partnerships. Are these as big as I'm making out? And are you bullish on CNFTs as a whole? Let me know. My name is APE Crypto, the leader of Nerds of Virgins. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all next time.